Hi, you are about to invest a considerable amount of time in this course, and I really want you to maximize the benefit you can get out of this work. In this brief lecture, I want to mention 5 simple bits of advice that I think can help you learn well while you enjoy this experience. We learn best by doing, so it's essential that you're not a passive consumer of this course. Be active. Try all of the experiments on your own. If you just watch a video, you don't really learn. You may be a little bit more familiar with the topic, but until you do it, you don't own it. So try all the experiments on your own. You will make mistakes, although the nice thing about the growth system is that at least the wiring mistakes are minimized, but still you will make a few mistakes. And if you do try again, try until you get it right. Especially once you get to the 5 projects, which I believe is the most important and most interesting part of this course, I invite you to use this project as a starting point for your own projects. In some projects, I do challenge you by asking you to make some specific changes to the circuit and to the sketch, but don't confine yourself to the limitations of this course. Ask yourself, what if I add this breakout, or what if I change this to that? What then? And once you imagine it, go ahead and implement those changes and see what the outcome is, and learn, of course, from what you have been able to imagine and then implement on your own without any particular guidance from me. By the end of the course, you'll have considerable skills in using the growth system. So try to imagine your own challenging project away from the 5 projects in the course. Imagine your own challenging project and then have a look at the growth breakout catalog for the parts that you need. Remember, of course, that you can still use the breadboard if there is something that you need to use that doesn't come as a growth breakout. That's okay. Definitely, though, do not forget that this course has a discussion forum on the Tech Explorations website. You can go to this forum and discuss your ideas and show off your designs. Just like learning is best done by doing, learning is also best done in a social context. And through those forums, we try to provide this ability of communication with other people and then exchanging ideas and helping each other when we reach a bump on the road. I personally can't wait to see what you'll make. And of course, don't forget to enjoy the process and enjoy the experience. I'll be here to help you whenever you need my help.